Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Angela. I'm via vocational student in Business Administration. In this exercise says that we are going to do, we are asked to fill in some the conditions to make the decisions to approve or not to a student, and we want to show a test where you put yes or no depending on their results. Your condition is with a list a 7 word with access and 8 access. Okay. To do this, we will read the first thing in Paint, and we will write breadth is greater than 6 through completing, and we will read bitrate is greater or equal to 7 through is a complete, and if does not complete, we will read an yes of no, and if it does not complete, we will write directly a no. Okay, let's read the formula directly. And is in the exercise put equal and open the parentheses C3 return that equal to 7 open and comma. If parentheses D3 is equal to arrow that's another 6 another for another, and if and we put of 3 is return that equal 2 comma if true approve or no approve, and click on enter. And Tamara is approved, and the students is and it will only approve Tamara. And the others we will find. And the second formula is click on is equal if open parentheses and is open the parentheses B3 to greater equal 6 comma C3 that greater or equal 7 comma D3 greater than equal 8, and close the parentheses is a comma, and parentheses up and yes comma, and parentheses up is no, and click on enter. And the only on we will approve it will be Tamara, because she has the conditions. And so much for today's video is the exercises. I hope you like for subscribe and the more videos.